We're a Californian brand, but these are global vehicles. They're engineered, designed, tuned, and validated all the way around the world. It gives us a fantastic opportunity to look at how all of the systems on the vehicle are working. All of these things we've been validating for many years, and we can then go and do it in the real world and make sure that cars really are perfect.
Using a climate control room allows us to simulate from very hot temperatures to very cold temperatures. We need to deliver a thermal system that's able to provide the customer with comfort in the cabin, but also a good charging experience while being the most efficient possible.
In cold temperatures, you're starting to degrade the battery more aggressively. So we want to heat the battery pack up to extend the lifetime of the battery cells. We'll push it to more extreme situations to make sure that when you depend on the vehicle, it'll be ready for it.
We want people to be comfortable all the way down to the third row in whatever weather, wherever you're going.
In the North American winter, we will go to places like Alaska and Minnesota, but in the Northern Hemisphere summer, we'll head to New Zealand. At these proving grounds, we have such a wide range of surfaces, all within a few square miles. We'll start off in road that is used as a rally stage to test on sand, rock and mud. Halfway up, we'll hit the snow. At different altitudes, you get very different behaviors of snow, which we have to tune for within our traction control system. We also get uphills, downhills, side slopes, all kinds of bumpy terrain. You may have ice on one side of the car and high grip, dry asphalt on the other, which gives us a very different set of challenges for our controls, for our brake system, for traction control, for stability control, for ABS. Whether it's commuting through a snowstorm, an ice storm, or fun drive through the mountains, we make sure that the car will excel. It's an SUV that can seat up to 7 people and all of your cargo. It has fantastic capability on any surfaces. It's incredibly efficient, but then it's also a high-performance vehicle. It's so rare that all of these attributes are in one product, and we're so excited to put it out into the world and see what people think of it.
Nick, I'd love to invite you into this conversation because you are actually an automaker. You're dealing with the batteries as they come off the line, manufacturing them. But given that, again, this is a big barrier to purchasing as people's misunderstanding about range, about battery degradation and so forth, what are you seeing in the market as an automaker?
Well, for us, we see nothing but upside. Record sales. In fact, today we announced that we had the best year ever and delivered 10,000 vehicles last year. So Lucid, if you're not familiar with us, we make the Lucid Air, which is the longest range EV sold with 512 miles of EPA range. And we just recently introduced the Lucid Gravity, which is a 7-passenger SUV with 450 miles range. And I think to get people into EVs, we talk about making the best car, not just the best EV, because frankly, when a vehicle meets the needs of the customer, it's the best for them, then that's when you're going to get to mass adoption.
안녕하세요, 루장입니다. 방금 전 보신 영상들처럼 루시드 그래비티가 얼마나 신중을 기하면서 만들어졌는지 느끼셨을 것이고, 단순히 전기차 EV를 제작하는 것이 아니라 완벽한 차량을 만들기 위해 노력하고 있다는 점이 강조되었죠. 사실 완벽한 차량은 이 세상에 한 대도 없습니다. 그 완벽에 가까운 차량을 만들려고 노력하면서 기술력을 끌어올리고 있는 것이죠. 그것을 루시드가 현재 하나하나 보여주고 있는 중이고, 이런 것들이 쌓여서 큰 제조업체가 되어가는 것입니다. 대중적 의미라는 것은 EV는 단지 대안이 아니라 정답이 될 수 있다는 것인데요. 많은 소비자들이 EV에 대해 갖고 있는 가장 큰 장벽 중 하나는 배터리 성능에 대한 오해와 불안감이죠. 하지만 루시드는 이러한 문제를 해결하기 위해 기술적 우위를 입증하면서도 소비자들에게 EV가 단순히 친환경 선택이 아니라 실용적이고 완벽한 선택임을 보여주려 하고 있습니다. 루시드의 메시지는 간단합니다. EV는 더 이상 타협이 필요한 대안이 아니다. EV는 최고 성능, 실용성, 그리고 지속 가능성을 모두 아우를 수 있다. 고객의 필요를 완벽히 충족시키는 차량이 곧 대중적 채택의 열쇠가 된다는 것입니다. 그래서 결론은 루시드 모터스는 기술적 혁신과 고객 경험의 완벽한 조화를 통해 전기차 시장에서의 새로운 기준을 제시하고 있고, 이를 통해 소비자들은 더 이상 EV를 특별한 차량으로 보지 않고 일상에서의 가장 합리적이고 최고의 선택으로 받아들이게 될 것입니다. 이런 날은 루시드에게 곧 찾아올 것입니다. 2025년부터 급격하게 성장하는 판매량을 지켜보시면 성공할 것이라는 확신이 더욱더 생기게 될 겁니다. 활기찬 하루 시작하시고요. 다음 영상에서 찾아뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다.